Now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa.
Good morning. Thanks for joining us. We're starting out with some wet roads down on the Branson Landing. It's 72 degrees there. It's humid, and we've got a south and east wind at 7 miles per hour. We've got a couple of clusters of some showers and thunderstorms across the area this morning. We've got one tiny cluster about to get into the Springfield metro. If you're up towards Willard or down towards Republic, you'll get in on some rain pretty shortly, and then that will eventually get into the downtown Springfield area. We've got a larger cluster of some locally heavy rain and lightning up around Wausau and Lake of the Ozarks here this morning. And then we've got another cluster to the south around Mountain Home in northern Arkansas, West Plains, and then Bentonville and Fayetteville in northwest Arkansas getting soaked with some locally heavy rain and lightning this morning. What's going on is we've got this stalled front. It's just stalled across the southern parts of the area. It's still the same front we talked about yesterday and the day before. And what's going to happen is it's going to carve out this pathway for these rounds and waves of scattered showers and storms as we head through the afternoon. We'll kind of be on and off with this scattered activity. Now, with the rounds of showers and storms, we've got the atmosphere pretty juiced up. It's got a lot of moisture in there. So with any of these thunderstorms, we could get some locally heavy rain, which could cause some localized flash flooding. Rainfall rates up to 2 inches per hour is possible today just because the atmosphere has so much moisture. So we'll have to keep an eye out for that. If any roadways do get a little bit flooded or ponded, you want to turn around, don't drown, never drive through standing water. With the flash flooding threat, we've also have a marginal risk for severe weather, more or less generally along into the west of Highway 65, does include the Springfield metro. This means that 1 or 2 storms could be strong to severe this afternoon. We're mainly looking at the threat for damaging winds and large hail, and of course we just talked about that localized flash flooding threat as well. So here we go. Futurecast today. We've got clusters of these scattered showers and storms moving through this afternoon with that isolated severe threat later on today. Notice the temperatures all in the 80s, 86 for high in Springfield because the clouds will be a little bit more extended today. We could calm down with these storms overnight. A couple of them could linger, and then we could have another round of storms by tomorrow morning with temperatures in the 70s. We'll have to keep that chance for storms, especially up to the north and east tomorrow. Also, side note, notice the temperatures back into the 90s. We'll start to bring back some more of that heat, but we'll keep that storm chance to the north and west because we'll have this low spin over the Great Lakes throughout Thursday and Friday, and we could tap into a couple of thunderstorms as far south as the Ozarks here with that storm just up to the north. Once that thing pushes to the east by Saturday, it's going to swing through a cold front that will bring in some less humid air in time for the weekend. While heat still builds in from the south and west, it should not feel as terrible. 86 degrees today, rounds of showers and storms and some cooler temperatures. 73 overnight, a couple of storms linger. 93 tomorrow. We'll have to keep a chance of storms, and it will get hot again. The hottest day of the week will be on Friday, 96 degrees with a chance of storms. Hot, but not too humid through the weekend.